I am going to read English newspaper. Deja vu for up. LG Saxena now praises CM Atisi. Young bright woman graduating today will be breaking barriers, redefining gender roles, and stepping into a rapidly changing world with technical expertise and determination. Their bright young minds are a testament to the innovation and resilience needed to lead in this area of transformation. LG said on social media platform these young women carry not only the promise of bright futures but also a new found responsibility to contribute to their parents and families, society, and nation building. This convocation marks a celebration of progress and the vital role women play in shaping a technologically advanced and equitable future. He mentioned the AAP and BJP have been at loggerheads over a range of issues, including governance, air pollution, and control of bureaucracy. Recently, Raj Nivas and the AAP-led Delhi government were at loggerheads over the issue of re-employment of over 10,000 civil defense volunteers to tackle air pollution. Kejriwal tendered his resignation in September and said that he would seek a certificate of honesty from the public in light of the corruption charges he faced. Kejriwal had proposed Atisi's name as the chief minister at a meeting of the legislature party and it was unanimously accepted. The roots of the recent confrontation can be tracked back to March 50, 2014 when 14 of members, including leaders, former journalist Asutosh, then party member, and Sajia Elmi, were arrested following classes outside the BJP national headquarters. The altercation left 28 people injured, including 30 of activists and 10 BJP supporters. The classes were sparked by protests against the detention of Kejriwal in Gujarat on March 4, 2014. Meanwhile, Atisi, in her address, expressed her appreciation for IGTUW's role in providing qualified professionals across diverse fields in this era of technological advancement. In the first week of August, in a letter to the LG, Kejriwal, the then CM, had said his cabinet colleague Atisi would hoist the national flag in his place during the Delhi government's Independence Day program, but LG nominated Gehlot to do the honors. In an early tweeted, LG had targeted the UP government, saying during the inspection of Rangpuri, Ayanagar, Janupur area of South Delhi on the repeated requests of local residents, a horrific example of failure and mismanagement of the local government was once again seen. The means of electric wires hanging dangerously, women holding pipes in their hands for drinking water, open manholes, heaps of garbage, and sewer water flowing in the streets is unforgivable. The mismanagement that was seen here was also seen during the inspection of Northeast Delhi and Northwest Delhi. Thank you guys for watching this. Thank you.